If you're an adventurer, you need a phone that keeps up. Meet the Doogee S119. This rugged smartphone is built for life's toughest challenges. With a stunning 6.72-inch FHD Plus display, you'll enjoy vibrant visuals and sharp details, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go. Powering it all is a MediaTek octa-core processor, backed by 24 GB of RAM, expandable up to 40 GB, plus, with 512 GB of internal storage, expandable to a whopping 2 TB, you'll never run out of space. But let's talk cameras. The S119 boasts a 100MP AI main camera, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 5MP wide-angle lens, so you can capture stunning shots in any light. And for selfies, a crisp 16MP front camera has got you covered. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The massive 10,200 mAh battery ensures you stay powered, and 33W fast charging gets you back in action fast. Running on Android 14, the S119 offers the latest features and security, and it's tough, really tough. With IP68, IP69K ratings and MIL SD810H certification, this phone is dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. Need more? How about dual SIM slots, NFC, OTG, and a side fingerprint sensor? The Doogee S119 is your rugged, reliable partner for any adventure. Get yours today and stay unstoppable.
The S119 is expected to launch in 2025, and it's also expected to cost about $300. Now, these are just mere speculation. Do not take them seriously, only take them with a pinch of salt. But because of the fact that Doogee usually sell their mid-range devices around $300, and also they usually launch devices that they announce the following month, then I suggest that yes, the device would cost $300 and it may launch in January, sometime in January. Okay, anyway, these are the top features of the Doogee S119. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.